From skinny to strong, push-up transformation. Hey there. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Are you ready to transform your physique from skinny to strong? Push-ups might just be the secret weapon you've been looking for. This simple yet powerful exercise not only builds up a body strength, but also engages your core and improves overall stability. Starting point: embracing the challenge. When beginning your push-up journey, don't be discouraged if you struggle at first. Many people underestimate the intensity of a proper push-up. It's normal to begin with modified versions, like knee push-ups, to build strength gradually. Remember, every rep counts towards your progress. Progression: building strength and confidence. As you gain strength, aim to increase your repetitions or move to more challenging variations, such as diamond push-ups or decline push-ups. These variations target different muscle groups, ensuring a balanced and effective workout. Consistency. Key to success. Consistency is key on this journey. Incorporate push-ups into your regular workout routine, whether it's daily or a few times a week. Over time, you'll notice improvements in both your strength and muscle definition. Nutrition. Fueling your progress. Support your push-up gains with a balanced diet rich in lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Adequate nutrition fuels your workouts and promotes muscle recovery and growth. Mindset. Pushing beyond limits. Push-ups not only challenge your physical strength, but also build mental resilience. Each rep is a testament to your determination and commitment to becoming stronger. Embrace the challenge, push beyond your limits, and celebrate every milestone along the way. Transformation. Beyond the push-up. Beyond physical transformation, push-ups cultivate discipline and dedication. They teach you to push through obstacles, both in fitness and in life. Remember, your journey from skinny to strong, a testament to your perseverance and commitment to self-improvement. Your support means the world to me as I continue to share valuable health and fitness insights. Hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more transformative content like this. Together, let's inspire and motivate others to achieve their fitness goals.